You give me 3 minutes and I'm going to convince you why you should use Framer to freelance. First thing first, a harsh truth. The majority of your clients don't even care which tool you use, whether it's Framer, whether it's WordPress, or Webflow. They just don't care. You are responsible to set a transformation and get away from website design. Because, in all honesty, all of my clients, they don't even know which was the tool that I was going to use. Before I was only using Webflow, and now I start using Framer also, depending on my client's needs. But if I can use Framer, that's the tool I'm going to use for sure because it's just so easy. When to use Framer? If the website you're building isn't complex and don't require many CMS collections or multi references. Second, if the business is making less than $1 million per year. And honestly, if a business is making less than $1 million per year and they're looking like for the craziest custom website, they're not focusing on the right priority. Okay. Third, your client doesn't even know what are website builders. If you are the one introducing the software, you just shoot yourself in the foot. Okay. Because you shouldn't even talking about what software you're using to build their website. You should be talking about how much money you'll be making them when working with you. Okay. Fourth, you want to build website laughably fast and charge shit tons of money for it. And I'm being serious for this. Like, it's just so funny. Like, I can create an entire website in a week instead of months. And when I say a week, like it's at maximum 10 hours of work, 15. Okay, let's say 15. And then charge for it like at least $3,000. Okay? So, yeah, that's one one of the most laughable reason why you should actually use Framer. It's just because so fast, so easy, and you can make a lot of money with it. To finish the first slide, myths. Not good for SEO, slow, yada yada. And all of this is bullshit. Because if you go to my channel, I have a video on SEO, and you'll see behind the scenes of one of my clients' website that I built on Framer, how fast the website is, and for how many keywords it's ranking. It's just outrageous. Second, I'm going to convince you why you should use Framer. You can build unlimited landing pages for free. And this is not a joke. Unlimited landing pages for free. This is very good if you want to create like fast landing page to try your offers, ads, whatever, instead of like buying domains, going like using ClickFunnels and all of this bullshit for 300, $400. This is for free. So easy to use, is just ridiculous. And if you find it hard, just watch my tutorials. You'll start finding it easy, one video after the other. Third reason, easy for your clients to update their website. Yes, it's good to sell, website maintenance and so on, but maintenance, you want to leave your client become independent. Because at the end of the day, with everything that you're going to do for them, yes, a majority of them, they just don't care. They don't want to maintain the website themselves. They're going to pay you. But if you can help them do things on their own, like small things, then you're good to go. But they're still going to pay you, right? So, fourth reason is easy to transfer. So from your side to your client side, very, very easy to do. Easy to build and sell templates. Like one of the best platform to actually build and sell templates. If you compare it to Wix, Squarespace, Webflow, oh my God, just forget about it. Framer is the easiest platform you can build and sell templates on. It's just ridiculous, honestly. And the last reason is possible to earn affiliate commissions on every client or a template buyer. So if you buy one of my template, let's say the template is free, then I'm going to make money whenever you purchase a hosting for your website or like with the template that you used for me. So to answer your question, should you freelance with Framer? The answer is yes. Yes, 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 yes. Hell yes. Honestly, I hope that I convinced you because my goodness, man, there's so many reasons. Like the only con that I can think of with Framer, perhaps, maybe, it's the pricing. But even that, they actually fixed that. So it's just too good, too good, too good, too good. And yeah, last slide. One favor: use my affiliate link if it's the first time coming across Framer whatsoever. Use my affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything, and it does a lot of things for me. You know, making these videos. When I see someone clicked on my link and become a customer, I'm so happy. You know, but I'm selling website for $3,000. I swear to God, the feeling from affiliate marketing is just so different, and it's fun. It's fun. So if you have any questions for me, you just drop them down in the description, and I'll be honored to answer all of your questions with the video. So see you next time.